Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you a full guide on how to fix Gumroad file download problems in 2026. Yeah, if you're a buyer or creator trying to download a product but the download fails, stalls, or shows an error, don't worry. This guide will help you get the file quickly and safely because honestly, download issues can be frustrating, especially when you need the product urgently. So first, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable networks are the most common reason for failed downloads. So reconnect your Wi-Fi, try a wired connection, or switch to a more stable network. Next, try a different browser or device. Yeah, some browsers or settings may block downloads, so switching to Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, or using another device often resolves the issue. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can interfere with the download process, so clearing it ensures your browser communicates properly with Gumroad's servers. Also, make sure you're logged in. Yeah, some files require you to be signed in to your Gumroad account before downloading. So check your credentials and log in again if needed. And yeah, check your file access. So no, if you purchased a product, make sure the seller hasn't restricted the download or the link hasn't expired. Contact the seller if needed to get a fresh link. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Gumroad support. Most of the time, following these steps fixes file download problems, letting you access your purchased product smoothly and without delays. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.